In this video, I'll show you the proper way of adding fractions. But first, let me show you the most common misconceptions that students make when adding fractions. So what some assume when adding a over b plus c over d is equal to a plus c over b plus d. So what they simply did is they add the top part together and the bottom part together. So let's verify if this is correct or not by a very simple example. Let's assume a over b is 1 over 2 and also c over d is 1 over 2 as well. So what they assume in this case is they add 1 plus 1 in here and they put 2 plus 2 in here, which will turn out to be 2 over 4, which is then half. So you can see that when we add half with another half, it would be a full, not another half. So we cannot say 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. That is not mathematically correct. So what we did in this whole operation is not correct. Now I'll show you the most easy way of adding two fractions. And this is how it looks like. I know it doesn't make any sense so far, but I'll just explain it in a bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply C with A and B with D and B with C. So this is how it's going to be. We're going to take one fraction and we're going to put B times C in here and A times C plus B times D. Let me give you an example with numbers. Let's say A over B is 1 over 2 and B over C is 3 over 4. So what we're going to do in here is we take one fraction, we multiply 4 times 1, and we're going to multiply 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 divided by 2 times 4. So it will turn out to be 4 plus 6 over 8, which is equal to 10 over 8. Let's work the other example that I showed you earlier. We said 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to, we take one fraction, we multiply 2 times 1, we get 2, plus 2 times 1 is 2, over 2 times 2 is 4. So we would get 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. So you can even tell conceptually that when a half is added into another half, we would get a full.